A man spent 68 years hiccuping non-stop. Imagine hiccuping through your entire life. That's exactly what happened to Charles Osborne, who started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. Doctors were baffled. Osborne's hiccups began after a freak accident on his farm, and from that moment, he averaged 20 to 40 hiccups a minute, every single minute of every day. He tried countless remedies, from hypnosis to bizarre home treatments, but nothing worked. Even sleep didn't give him relief. The hiccups would slow down, but they never truly disappeared. Through it all, Osborne managed to live a surprisingly full life. He got married twice and had 8 children. His case is still considered one of the greatest medical mysteries, leaving scientists puzzled to this day.